Hello everyone, and once again welcome to my channel. So in today's video I want to be showing you guys how to produce a profitable soap with this my soap mold, because I have been getting a lot of complaints from my students and clients that they produce a soap and they don't make profits. So in today's video I want to help you on how to produce a soap and make profits with this my soap mold. And this is how the mold looks like. It produces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So this mold produces 18 tablets of soap. So I want to show you how to use this mold and achieve profits or make profits. This is my ingredient and how much I spent for each of my ingredients. You can see it is written here on the screen. So I spent a total of 2,450 naira in purchasing this ingredient for my soap production. Then if you observe, the color is 300 naira for white. Then other types of color is 50 naira. So the type of color you purchase also matters. You can choose to use other types of color since white color is more expensive. So over here is my soda ash. So I'll be adding soda ash to this my soap production. Don't forget, I said the purpose of this video to show you how to make profits in producing soap, just in case you want to go into the business of soap making. You will not be running at a loss when you use this my recipe. Work with this my recipe and you will make profit. A lot of soap makers usually add a lot of unnecessary ingredients to their soap production, and in that way they run at a loss. And also the type of mold you use also determines if you will make profit or not. So this recipe I came up with is actually for my type of soap mold. So you can do well by reaching us through the number displayed on the screen to purchase your own mold. This mold, we deliver it all around Nigeria. So there is no limitation on how to purchase this mold. We even deliver up to Cameroon and most times to Ghana. So if you know you can afford the transportation from Cameroon or Ghana, you reach us through the number displayed on the screen to purchase the soap mold. Then don't forget that we deliver this mold all around Nigeria. So every state in Nigeria you can actually purchase this mold. No matter where you are staying in Nigeria, you can purchase this soap mold from us. Just reach us on the number displayed on the screen to purchase the mold. So you can see I divided my water into two. I used some of it to dissolve my soda ash. Then I used the remaining one to dissolve my caustic soda. So the water that I measured out to dissolve my caustic soda, I divided it into two. I used some to dissolve my soda ash and some to dissolve my caustic soda. I didn't just use any kind of water. I took out proper measurement, because if you add too much water in your soap production, your soap will come out very soft. So my measurement was gotten out properly. I don't just take measurement like that. If you want to learn how to take measurement, you can do well by joining my online class on WhatsApp. There you'll be taught how to produce soap and how to carry out measurements for your ingredients that you are adding to your soap production. Over here is my white color. White color is more expensive. This white color I got it for 300 naira. Other colors are cheaper. So you can choose to make soap with other types of colors, or you can choose to produce with white color. But just know that white color is 300 naira a wrap. Other colors are just 50 naira a wrap. So go for other types of colors. Then this is my fragrance. I use a mixture of lemon and lavender. Lemon and lavender will give you a very nice fragrance. Always use lemon and lavender. Tell them to mix it together. When you get to the chemical store, they should mix the two fragrances together for you. Lemon lavender gives you a very strong and nice smell. It makes your laundry bar soap have a good fragrance. So just watch this video as I'm producing this soap. Don't forget, I said the purpose of this video is actually how to achieve or make profits, so that you won't be running at a loss. You can actually go into the soap making business and make profit. This recipe is actually for my type of mold. Don't forget, okay, now when you want to use soda ash in soap, always pour the soda ash into your oil first. After you pour the soda ash, the next thing that should come in is your caustic soda. So you can see I have poured my soda ash into my oil and I'm stirring it. The next thing I'm going to pour into it is my caustic soda. So I'm going to pour my caustic soda next into it. And to start turning to soap, this will start going through a chemical reaction. Don't forget to check the description of this video to join my online class, or you can reach me on the number displayed on the screen. So you can reach me on WhatsApp through the number displayed on the screen to be added to the class. And also I have ebooks available. The ebook is very, very rich and very, very educative. The ebook covers a lot of vital information you need in soap production. It even has information on how to purchase or get a NAFDAC registration number. It gives you all the detailed information you need on all the necessary things you need before you can get a NAFDAC registration number. Then it also gives you offices. The ebook has offices or addresses of NAFDAC offices in different states of Nigeria, or in all the states of Nigeria. The ebook has the address to NAFDAC office. Then the ebook also has addresses to where you can purchase chemicals for your soap making in different states of Nigeria. And you also have other recipes on how to produce. It's not just recipe, but recipes and procedures and formulations on how to produce other skincare productions, such as the body cream, the hair shampoo, the hair cream, the liquid soap, the hair conditioner, the bleach, the Izal, the Dettol, the powder detergent. A lot of things the ebook will show you. It's very rich and very affordable. So you can reach me on WhatsApp to purchase your ebook, just in case you will not have time to enroll for my online class. If you are a very busy type, you won't be chance to enroll for my online class due to the nature of your job, you can just reach me and purchase the ebook. It's very affordable. It's not expensive. Don't forget, again, I said the purpose of this video is to teach you how to make profit in soap making. A lot of persons have been producing soap out there and they have been running on a very serious loss. Most of the time they don't even see their capital. But in this video, I've given you a recipe that you can use to work with using this my soap mold also. Don't forget, if you use too much recipes in your soap making, you will not make profit. And the type of soap mold you use also determines if you will make profit. So this recipe is actually for my soap mold that I'm selling. So you can see after 12 hours, my soap is ready to be taken out of the mold. It's now very hard. Just 12 hours, my soap is very hard. The reason because I added soda ash. Soda ash makes your soap hard and it also makes your soap heavy. It gives it weight so that people will not complain that your soap is light. It makes it heavy and it makes it get dry quickly. That's the purpose of bringing in soda ash into your recipe. So just work with this recipe and you will see yourself making profits in soap production. You shouldn't be running at a loss. Things are very hard in this country, so don't be producing soap and be running at a loss. You have to be making profits. So you can see what is displayed on the screen. The total cost of production is 2,450 naira. Total soap produced 18 tablets. So if I'm selling those 18 tablets at 200 naira, what I'm making is 3,600 naira after I've sold the whole 18 tablets. So 3,600 minus 2,450 naira. That is my total sales minus my cost of production. So what I have left is 1,150 naira, which is not a bad profit. At least I have made profit. I didn't run at a loss. I didn't lose my capital. Instead, I made extra income on just selling 18 tablets. So imagine if I was selling more than 18 tablets of soap. And also other means you can use in making profit is making sure that you buy your chemicals in large quantity. These chemicals, I got them in retailed, yet I still made profit. Then imagine if you got them in large quantity, that is in wholesale price. you will make a lot of profit. So buying your chemicals at wholesale price is also a big way or a major way of making profit in soap production. At least I have made profits. So if you want to purchase this soap mold, reach me on the number displayed on the screen or chat me up on WhatsApp to purchase your mold. We deliver all around Nigeria. People have been collecting their molds. You can check my previous videos or my shorts videos. You will see people giving testimonies about how they purchased the mold and they collected it. You get your mold safely. Just do well by purchasing. Follow this recipe you will have and you will make profit. You won't be running at a loss. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this video to other persons that are having issues making profit in soap making. And also don't forget to like the video, comment on areas where you are having issues in the video. Let's see how we can help each other. So now let's test this soap and see how it works. Let's see if this soap leathers well. So we want to test it. Because one thing about soap making is that your soap must leather, it must foam. If your soap doesn't leather or foam, then your soap is actually a bad soap. Your soap must leather, it must foam for people to like it and buy it. If your soap doesn't leather, it's a bad production. So you can see how this soap leathers. It leathers very well. So it means that we produce a very good soap and we are also making profit with the help of my soap mold and recipes. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to join the online class if you want to learn more on how to make soap, and don't forget to purchase your ebook. Goodbye and see you on our next video on soap making.